Okay, when installing the side trim and the leather on the side of the console, you want to make sure not to glue the leather to the side itself. So I'll show you how to do that. But what we do is, first off, turn the console on its side once it's complete and done, basically finalized and ready to go. What we will do is make the final adjustment to the leather. And so what you want to do is set it on here and verify that it's the right size. And how I gauge that is I take the side trim and make sure it fits correctly all the way around. It's not showing on the edging like right here. And then I take a ink pen and trace around it for any excess pieces like this. And then I cut on the inside of that line. The idea is that you won't see any of that stuff when the trim is completely fastened. So on the back, what I do is I spray glue about 1 inch from the edge all the way, let that tack up for a minute, and then I take the soft batting on the back. This is like an insulated puffy material, and I will spray it completely. And so you can see the ink marks here. What I do is I lay the side trim down on the table and get this where it covers all the way around, all the way to the edge of here. And then I take an ink pen and trace on the inside, so that way it doesn't get material out here in this, so that this gets sandwiches the leather against the side of the console itself, and then the inside becomes puffy. And so like I said, you trace the inside here and then cut it on the inside of the line as well. That way it makes it just slightly smaller, so that when it puffs up, it makes a nice even fit when it's installed.